Top 25 must-visit destinations in Slovenia for summer 2025. Welcome to the InfoMax, your ultimate guide to uncovering world-class destinations. Today, we're diving into one of Europe's hidden gems, Slovenia. Known for its breathtaking natural beauty, rich history, and welcoming culture, Slovenia offers something for everyone. Whether you're into exploring charming old towns, marveling at natural wonders, or indulging in delicious local cuisine, this video will inspire your travel plans for summer 2025. In this video, we'll explore the top 25 must-visit destinations in Slovenia and share brief historical details and cultural highlights about each location. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the InfoMax for more exciting travel and history-based videos. Let's begin. Arguably Slovenia's most iconic destination, Lake Bled is a magical alpine lake with a small island in the middle. The island hosts a historic church dating back to medieval times. Don't forget to climb the 99 steps to ring the wishing bell for good fortune. The surrounding Bled Castle, perched atop a cliff, offers breathtaking views and insight into Slovenia's feudal history. Slovenia's charming capital city, Ljubljana, boasts a mix of modernity and history. Visit Ljubljana Castle for panoramic views of the city and walk across the Dragon Bridge, a symbol of protection. The vibrant streets are dotted with cafes, museums, and street art, making it an unforgettable urban adventure. Triglav National Park is Slovenia's only national park and a natural wonderland. Named after Mount Triglav, Slovenia's highest peak, it's a paradise for hikers, climbers, and nature enthusiasts. The park's valleys, rivers, and rugged landscapes embody the country's unspoiled beauty. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Škocjan Caves are a must-see. These caves are famed for their vast underground chambers and a river that has carved out dramatic tunnels. As one of the largest subterranean canyons in the world, Škocjan is a testament to Slovenia's geological wonders. Located along the Adriatic coast, Piran is a picturesque town with a Venetian influence. Its narrow alleys, historic Tartini Square, and views of the turquoise sea make it an idyllic spot for a summer getaway. Explore its maritime heritage and sample fresh seafood at local restaurants. Postojna Cave offers an unforgettable underground experience with guided train rides through its intricate system of tunnels and stalactites. Close by, the Predjama Castle is an architectural marvel built into a cliffside. This medieval retreat is full of history, legends, and Gothic allure. Nestled in the Julian Alps, Lake Bohinj is more serene than its counterpart, Lake Bled. It's ideal for adventurers who love kayaking, swimming, or hiking. Visit the Church of St. John the Baptist for historical charm in this peaceful and scenic area. Rogar Valley is a tranquil alpine haven filled with meadows, waterfalls, and endless greenery. The Rinka waterfall, one of Slovenia's tallest, is a must-visit here. The valley is a great spot for escaping the bustle and reconnecting with nature. Slovenia's oldest town, Tuj promises a journey back in time. Walk through its medieval old town, explore Tuj Castle, and learn about its Roman roots. Don't miss the Kurentovanje festival, a lively tradition that preserves local folklore and celebrates spring. A favorite for nature lovers, Kranjska Gora transforms into a summer wonderland with plenty of hiking trails. Nearby, Jasna Lake offers crystal clear waters surrounded by imposing peaks. The town also serves as a gateway to Vršič Pass, Slovenia's highest road. This city is a wine lover's paradise. Maribor is home to the world's oldest grapevine, known as the Old Vine, which has been thriving for over 400 years. The Drava River runs through this vibrant town, hosting festivals and scenic exploration opportunities. The Socha River's emerald green water will leave you in awe. Known as the Emerald Beauty, its riverbanks are perfect for rafting, kayaking, or simply soaking in the scenery. The Socha Valley also has a rich WWI history, visible through its memorials and trails. The Vršić Pass offers one of the most scenic drives in Slovenia, connecting Trenta and Kranjska Gora. During the journey, learn about the pass's role as a supply route during WWI and enjoy striking Alpine views at every turn. Celje, Slovenia's third largest city, is steeped in medieval history. Explore the impressive Celje Castle, where stories of knights and noble families unfold. The city also boasts Roman archaeological sites, making it an essential stop for history enthusiasts. Velika Planina showcases traditional Slovenian shepherd culture with its picturesque huts and lush pastures. In summer, enjoy panoramic mountain views while learning about the lifestyle and customs of local farmers. An outdoor lover's dream, Bovec is located near the stunning Socha River. The area is famous for whitewater rafting, canyoning, and paragliding. Don't miss the nearby Kozjak waterfall, a hidden gem surrounded by lush greenery. Friedel Lake is a serene oasis tucked in the Julian Alps. Its crystal clear waters and tranquil surroundings make it a great spot for a picnic or relaxing escape from busier tourist locations. Kostanjevica na Krki is Slovenia's smallest town, surrounded by the peaceful Krka River. This charming location features an impressive Baroque monastery, as well as artistic and cultural exhibitions that highlight its historical legacy. Founded in 1580, this stud farm is home to the world-famous Lipizzaner horses. Visitors can tour the facility, watch dressage performances, and learn about the farm's heritage in preserving the elegant and intelligent Lipizzaner breed. Idrija is a town of dual treasures, mercury mining and lace making. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, its mercury mine offers fascinating tours into its industrial history. Idrija lace, meanwhile, showcases centuries-old craftsmanship still alive today. Kobarid is a haven for history buffs, thanks to its renowned World War I museum and historic Napoleon Bridge. The surrounding trails also offer insights into the area's role during the Battle of Caporetto. Located in southeastern Slovenia, Bela Krajina is a land of rolling vineyards, traditional white cottages, and lively folk traditions. Visit during one of its famous festivals to enjoy local music, storytelling, and vibrant dance displays. Along the Adriatic coast, you'll find the Sechovje Salt Works, a peaceful and picturesque area dedicated to producing salt using centuries-old methods. The salt pans are also home to rare plant and bird species, making this a paradise for nature lovers. Brežice is a quaint town best known for its castle and the incredible Knights Hall, adorned with beautiful frescoes. The town sits in Slovenia's wine-growing region, so a visit wouldn't be complete without sampling some local wines. Finally, discover Kamnik, a medieval town with a rich cultural heritage. Stroll through its old town streets or visit the Arboretum Botanical Garden nearby. Kamnik's summer festivals and events make it a lively destination to cap off your Slovenia adventure. That wraps up our list of the top 25 must-visit destinations in Slovenia for summer 2025. From breathtaking alpine lakes to vibrant cities and historic landmarks, Slovenia is filled with treasures waiting to be explored. Which of these destinations are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the Info Max. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content as we continue to explore the wonders of the world. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy travels.